Hello friends, welcome back to Gear Up GK. So in this video we are going to discuss the various branches of zoology. In simple words, zoology is basically the scientific study of animals. So let us check out the various branches of zoology. What is the branch of science which deals with the study of skin called? Answer: dermatology. What is the study of bones called? Answer: osteology. What is the study of insects called? Answer: entomology. What is the study of fish called? Answer: ichthyology. What is the study of butterflies called? Answer: lepidopterology. What is the study of birds called? Answer: ornithology. What is the branch of science which deals with the study of tissue found in the body of organisms called? Answer: histology. What is the study of diseases like cancer called? Answer: oncology. What is the study of vestigial organs called? Answer: dysteleology. What is the study of typical behavior of organisms in their habitats called? Answer: ethology. What is the branch of science which deals with the study of various aspects of different races of mankind called? Answer: ethnology. What is the branch of physiology and medicine concerned with the endocrine glands and hormones called? Answer: endocrinology. What is the study of effect of radiation on plants and animals called? Answer: radiobiology. What is the study of population called? Answer: demography. What is the study of antigen and antibodies found in the blood called? Answer: serology. What is the study of blood called? Answer: hematology. What is the study of effects of toxic chemicals on plants and animals called? Answer: toxicology. What is the study of internal structure of an organism called? Answer: anatomy. What is the branch of biology which is concerned with the study of functions of internal organs of the organisms called? Answer: physiology. What is the study of growth and development of embryo called? Answer: embryology. What is the study of integrated use of microbiology, biochemistry and engineering called? Answer: biotechnology. What is the study of parasitic organisms called? Answer: parasitology. What is the study of lizards called? Answer: sorology. What is the study of ultrasound imaging called? Answer: sonography. What is the study of female reproductive system called? Answer: gynecology. What is the study of digestive systems called? Answer: gastroenterology. What is the study of pulse and arterial blood pressure called? Answer: sphygmology. What is the study of kidney called? Answer: nephrology. What is the study of blood vascular system called? Answer: angiology. What is the study of nose and olfactory organs called? Answer: rhinology. What is the treatment of body defects through massage and exercise called? Answer: physiotherapy. Now, what is the branch of biology in which we study about the treatment of mental disease called? Answer: psychiatry. What is the branch of science in which we study about the eyes called? Answer: ophthalmology. What is the scientific study of diseases called? Answer: pathology. What is the branch of science which deals with the study of processing and preserving of food called? Answer: food technology. Making unexpected discoveries by accidents is called? Answer: serendipity. What is the branch of science in which we study about the curing of diseases, deformities and injuries by physical operations called? Answer: surgery. So with this, I guess we have covered all major branches of zoology. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up GK for more such videos weekly. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.